Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Hey everyone, we got a 1970 Mustang with a 302 and a 4-speed, and it's dressed up real slick. If you go to volocars.com, that's where you'll read all the specs, see all the pictures, price on this car, and a few hundred other collector cars that are all for sale. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the little bell icon. That way you can get notified as soon as we post a video and you'll see it first. But right now, let's take this 4-speed for a spin. Very nicely restored. If amateur restoration is the right word, because it looks way better than amateur restoration, way better than I could do, but it's not a concourse rotisserie type restoration. But he did everything top to bottom real nicely. The body and paint's fantastic. You stand right here and look at it, it looks as good as my best car. It's straight, real glossy, very nice smooth polished paint. I didn't see any issues as far as cracking or bubbling or issues anywhere. It looks really nice. It lines up really well, like there's no bubbles here on the trunk lid. This is all painted nice. Tail lights are excellent. They might be new. The bumper's got a little patina, so it might have been replaced, but maybe years ago. The Mustang letters, the gas cap are new. Really nice. No bubbles down here, smooth. A little paint is flaked off. He blacked out the marker lights and some of the paint flaked off. He blacked out the wheel well moldings. Also smooth. The door fits square and flush. No bubbles. All metal fender. Sport mirrors. Brand new vinyl top. All the trim, the rain gutters here are new. All the moldings look like they've probably been replaced. Blacked out the wipers. The hood fits real nice and square also. They put on the hood scoop. This is a bolted on scoop with the turn signals in the back. I just assumed they didn't go the extra and hook those up, but those are functioning also. The bumper's new, this trim is new, the grille is real good original. It's a 302 with an upgraded 4-barrel and headers. These are Shelby Edition 17-inch American Torque Thrust wheels with G-Force BF Goodrich Performance tires on there. And this side is just as nice as the other side. All metal, smooth, fits nice. So yeah, nice shiny door handles, has a sport mirrors. So yeah, outside the car is really excellent. Comes with a bunch of goodies in the trunk. We got the original air cleaner, a tote with some extra stuff and catalogs, car cover, has a spare, does not have the jack. Underneath all this is a carpeted mat with Mustang embroidered in the middle of it. They did a body restoration. They did replace metal. Underneath it does have some metal patches put in. So the car is metal. They cut off the lower quarters, replaced it with metal. So inside the trunk is all sprayed in a gray and white spatter finish paint. The interior is excellent. I just sat inside the car right in my ad before the video, and everything in here is excellent. It's got the high back seats, upholstery's new, the door panels look new, headliner looks new, the dome light works. So getting back to the motor, it's a 302 with power steering, power brakes. We were told it was rebuilt. It runs really well. It does have headers and a Holley 4-barrel. It's got power steering and power brakes. For the most part, the metal in here is spray painted, a little glossy for my taste. Under the hood is really nice. That's a nice, smooth red paint, just like the outside of the car. Carpets, sill plates, the console. I think the console is new. The bezels around the radio and heater controls, the chrome looks like it's all new. It has a retro stereo. In the center console, there's actually a bunch of cassette tapes that will go with it. You can see the door jambs are painted real nice. The weather strips are replaced. It does have a glue-on dash cap over the original dash, and it actually fits real nicely. We'll start it up for you. Got this real nice cushion grip steering wheel. Interior lights work. It's a new Hurst 4-speed shifter. Everything looks really nice. These cars do take a little bit to warm up sometimes, and we kind of do these videos in a hurry. We pull them in cold. It's sitting and idling fine. Underneath it has a nice fat exhaust system with the X pipe in the middle and Flowmaster mufflers, so it sounds real good. Tell you what, it's a good looking car, ready to go to any car show. It's flashy, it's a 4-speed, it's excellent inside and out, and it's affordable. You don't have to pay the big money for the Mach 1 fastback. You still got a lot of bang for the buck, a flashy 4-speed Mustang right here. So go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to contact us. We'll help you however we can. We'll go the extra with photos, videos, answering questions. We can still help with financing, shipping. So visit the website. That's where you can get started. Let us know how we can help. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you're notified when these videos come out. Thanks for watching, everyone.